Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400, a sport bike that blends performance, agility, and beginner-friendly features, making it a top choice for new and experienced riders alike. Compact, stylish, and well-equipped, this entry-level machine is built to deliver confidence and excitement without being intimidating. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Ninja 400 features a sharp, aggressive design inspired by Kawasaki's larger Ninja models. With aerodynamic bodywork, LED headlights, and refined fairings, it looks fast even when standing still. The lightweight frame enhances handling, and new color options like lime green/ebony and pearl robotic white add personality. A redesigned tail and cleaner lines improve its overall aerodynamics and give it a modern, sporty appeal. Performance and powertrain. Powering the Ninja 400 is a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine that produces around 49 horsepower and 38 newton-meters of torque. This setup offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, ideal for city streets or weekend rides. The 6-speed transmission, paired with a slipper clutch and optional quick-shifter, ensures seamless gear changes. Its approachable power band makes it fun without being overwhelming, perfect for those still building their skills. Handling and comfort. Weighing in at about 168 kilograms, the Ninja 400's power-to-weight ratio contributes to nimble performance and easy control. The 41mm front fork and preload adjustable rear shock provide a comfortable yet sporty ride. Ergonomic seating and upright handlebars support longer rides, while the low seat height boosts rider confidence at stops. Whether you're riding across town or hitting back roads, it feels light and responsive. Technology and features. The bike comes with a digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. Full LED lighting enhances visibility and style. Key safety tech includes ABS, cruise control, and traction control. A USB port is integrated for everyday convenience, making this an all-around practical and capable ride. Safety and reliability. The Ninja 400's ABS system boosts braking stability, especially in slippery conditions. Its predictable handling and smooth throttle response make it ideal for beginners. Backed by Kawasaki's solid engineering and low maintenance needs, it's a reliable bike to grow with. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 proves you don't need a big bike to have a big ride. With the right mix of performance, comfort, and tech, it's perfect for riders stepping into the sport bike world or looking for an easygoing, thrilling ride. For more motorcycle news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to Gear Grinders.